What happens when Realme dares to dream bigger than ever before? You're about to meet a device that doesn't just push limits, it erases them. Welcome to the Realme GT 7 Dream Edition. Crafted with precision, powered by ambition, this is Realme's boldest flagship yet. The GT 7 Dream Edition isn't just a phone, it's an experience waiting to unfold. Up front, you're greeted by a stunning 6.78-inch 2K AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ certified ultra-slim bezels, and a brightness that cuts through sunlight like never before. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor delivers raw power, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR, 5X RAM, and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Whether it's gaming, editing, or multitasking, this beast handles it all. With Realme UI 6.0 on Android 15, expect clean, fast, and customizable software. And when it's time to play, the GT Mode 4.0 pushes FPS, reduces latency, and keeps you winning. Powering it all is a massive 5,500 mAh battery recharged with 150-watt Super Dart fast charging. From 0 to 50% in just under 10 minutes. Because waiting is no longer part of the plan. The Dream Edition redefines mobile photography with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 32-megapixel front camera. Crystal clear shots, AI portrait depth, 4K video, and night mode that makes the stars jealous. And just look at it, a sleek, futuristic design with curved glass, an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Available in Dream White, Aurora Blue, and Matte Black. Built to stand out, yet feel natural in your hand. The Realme GT 7 Dream Edition is more than a flagship. It's Realme's vision, redefined. Official launch this August, starting around $599 globally, but value priceless. So, are you ready to dream bigger? Let us know your favorite feature in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadget Drip for the latest in tech power, performance, and perfection.